Hello everyone, and welcome to this API cooking lesson. Torrijas are very similar to French toast, although they're not exactly the same.
Its origin goes back at least 1500 years. They have evolved since then, of course. Today we're going to learn how to cook the most traditional ones, although there are very different versions.
So, let me get into my cooking clothes. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go over the ingredients. I'm going to let you know the quantities I'm using for 1 loaf of bread.
The loaf of bread. I got this beauty in a Taona delicatessen. Salamanca students will know what I'm talking about. And it's special for torrijas, but you can use any kind of bread as long as it's not crumbly, as baguettes tend to be. 1 liter of milk, 200 to 300 grams of sugar, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 3 eggs, a cinnamon stick, some cinnamon powder, and of course, olive oil, a good olive oil to fry the torrijas.
Okay, first of all, we are going to peel the lemon and the orange. We are going to leave a little piece of orange peel for later, you will see why.
Now we mix the milk and the sugar and heat it up. When you see it starts to evaporate, but before it starts boiling, remove it from the heat and add the orange skin, the lemon skin, and the cinnamon stick, and we let it cool down.
Well, now that the milk has cooled down, we have taken out the cinnamon stick and the orange and lemon peel, and we have it here. So we're going to cut the bread into more or less 2 centimeter slices, 1 2 centimeter thick slices, and put them in this tray. And then we are going to add the milk over it.
So we add the milk and we let it soak for about 15 minutes each side. After 15 minutes, we turn them around.
Now we're going to carefully put the bread slices into this grid, and we are going to leave them here for about 5 minutes so they drain the excess of milk. In the meantime, we're going to whisk the eggs on a different plate. Now, we're going to dip our torrijas in the egg. Some people like to fry them right away. I don't. I like to let them drain again for about 5 minutes so the excess of egg goes away. That way you won't have those unpleasant strands in the frying pan. Make sure this egg all over the surface.
So we add the oil in the frying pan and we heat it up. We will know it is ready when we can add a little piece of orange peel and it starts to bubble like this. We lower the heat to medium and start frying the torrijas. More or less 1 minute, 2 minutes tops for each side. Remember to never fry more than 2 at the same time so the oil temperature doesn't drop too much. When they are ready, we take them out and put them over absorbent kitchen paper so it soaks the excess of oil.
Okay, now we have our torrijas ready. The next step is optional, although highly recommended. On the plate, we are going to mix sugar and cinnamon powder. And we are going to dip our torrijas in it. And here we have our beautiful torrijas. And now it's time for my favorite part of this recipe, the tasting. Buen provecho. Oh my god, they're delicious. Super soft inside, though crunchy outside. Wow. Could be eating them all day long. Wow. They melt in your mouth.